Look at them, y'all. They don't have a camera in their hand.
Hey,
They've been following us.
we won't leave them alone.
Good morning to you. Hey guys, we are getting ready to go to the second day of the Hershey RV Show, and what I want to show you is what we try to do. We don't do this all the time, but we try to do it. Sometimes it saves money. It helps us stay on track with what we're eating. Not that we're really watching it, but we don't just stop and buy something if we don't have to. So what we did, let me show you, is we pack a cooler with ice, sandwiches, we got water in there, some snacks. You know, it's not trying to be healthy, we're just trying not to buy stuff there, because at the show, that stuff is expensive. And you know us seniors, we on a budget.
For real.
So that's just a tip. If you're going to one of these shows, always check to see what the food requirements are, because they said you can't bring any food in. I mean any food. So that's probably a snack, a banana, or anything. That's what we do. We're getting ready to pack up and go for a day. Now this is the first full day, right?
This is the first full day with other people. Yesterday was just
with other people.
Yeah, with other people.
With the public.
Yeah, the public. That's the you
yeah,
people.
Yeah. Y'all can go today. We went yesterday. We're gonna take y'all with us today.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. I don't know about you guys, but when we get ready to leave the campground especially for a long time, I always turn the water off, just in case.
This is the first day for the public, and they're out here. Look at the parking lot, and it is what, 9:15 in the morning, and the parking lot is full.
Hanging out a while ago, and we met this nice, cute couple.
Where?
And
Hey,
they've been following us.
we won't leave them alone, really.
This is Chad and Tara from Changing Lanes.
Hello.
And we have learned so much from them. I mean, from everything from RV stuff to YouTube stuff. So, if you want to check out a wonderful channel, go and check these guys out over at Changing Lanes.
Oh,
right?
you are too kind. Thank you.
Thanks.
And if you haven't heard of them, you haven't heard of YouTube, right?
And
A lot of people have it. Yeah.
and
Uh-oh.
now you're on camera again. So now we have, see you later.
Ginger and
Jarhead.
Jarhead and Ginger.
Jarhead and Ginger.
Either
Yeah.
way, Ginger's it works.
Yeah, that's right.
We just met these guys, and we've been hanging out here with them for a little bit, talking about our experience here, and they're giving us some advice. So go over and check them out. They had a great video on what to do when you come to the RV show. So check that out also.
Thank you.
Thank you. Guys, this is an Alpine by Keystone 3912 DS. 43 foot long, but check it out. It has 2 bedrooms.
And it doesn't have a parker, which is positive too.
Okay, this is the first bedroom. Has the walk-through bath. Shower with the seating area. Big closet. Washer, dryer, hookups. When you first come in, there's a seat. Nice. Oh, it's got like a butler's pantry. That is cool. Storage. That is a very cool use of space. I like that. Got your residential fridge. Looks like a wine rack over your refrigerator. Nice sinks. The large one and then the smaller sink. The Insignia stove. A large TV, fireplace, and then you pan around. Of course, you got your dining area, your theater seats. You can see look this there. One of them is lit up at the bottom. And this is the showstopper here. It has a second bedroom, queen size bedroom. Oh man, look at the windows. How nice is that? Great storage. Storage at the top. And then, wow, a full bathroom back here. Commode and a large shower. This is really a cool little room.
Yeah, you told me not to get you one.
I would figure that's the
Hello there. Hi guys.
Hi.
Come on.
That is so cute.
Okay.
Thank
Go.
you. Thank
Go.
you. This is the Barefoot. So this is a unit that will be in production later this year. So we're super excited about it. It's, you know, curved, chic, unique, you know, love the color of it. So something really different.
It's all made out of fiberglass.
But one piece
One piece
fiberglass shell.
Yeah.
So it has all the amenities that you come to expect. It has a refrigerator, 2-burner stove, sink, wet bath as well.
And the bugs like it. Look at
And the
this.
bugs love it. Love it.
That's the native, I would say the native bug. It's the not so native bug we found out. It's a Japanese, what'd you say?
Yeah, it's an invasive species.
Yeah.
I've heard when you see them.
Yeah. first and they tap into that. I don't know if the breeze, but I was like, I've never seen one before. I'm like, what is this? Should I be afraid? Do I want, you know? They just
I do want to point out this is for us amazing disappearing bunk. Because when you look in this unit, same floor plan, this is our dinette, and the bunk system is hidden in our dinette. Okay. So when you go into this unit over here, you can see the bunk set. Okay.
So this is the bunk system.
But this is one of the new features that we wanted to point out.
So over here is this setup without the bunk.
Correct.
And then guys, over here is set up with the bunk. And this is the size that you're looking at.
we have a small YouTube channel.
And look at the inside of this. So for a small family or for a couple, this is the deal. Give you a better look at one of these. Look at this. I've not seen one like this that has bathroom in the back. We call this a wet bath. So this is it, man. This is the deal right here for two people traveling cross country. And this is the front, the cockpit.
This is a Solitude 391 DLR, and it has a special feature for you large families.
And it's new.
And it's new
to
Grand Design. Okay, we have the bathroom here. Nice shower. Wow. There's sink space. There's storage.
Plenty of space in there.
Yeah. Ooh, nice size bedroom too. King size bed. There's no storage over the top, but you've got 6 drawers. This is your washer dryer hookups in here, or you could just use it for storage. Wow, look at this closet. I love it. Plenty of room for Dwayne's shoes. Oh man, look at this kitchen. You got your coffee bar. plenty of storage.
Oh, so.
Plenty of storage.
And what's behind that door right there? What's behind door number 1?
Door number 1 has, voila,
Nice pantry.
a pantry. Residential refrigerator. Guys, if I had this much space in my refrigerator, in my 303,
We would be overweight. Look at the space in this kitchen.
beautiful.
I mean, this is really,
Oh.
really a great design.
Double trash cans.
Double trash can. Well, you got 2 bedrooms. You got a lot of people.
You gave it away.
Windows. Oh man. Okay, go ahead.
All right.
Forget that, y'all.
Now up here, and I'm not going up the steps, no, but Dwayne will, is a loft area for the littles.
Oh man, and it's all the way across,
Wow.
and it's 2. I mean, I don't know how. Depends on how big or small the kids are. You could get 4 littles up there and 2 bigs.
But this is the special part. It is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bedrooms, and 2 full baths. This is great if your parents travel with you, if you have
Oh, and look,
children.
the shower.
Wow.
And it has a rear entry door.
And look at all the storage in here. And the TV. You guys travel, if you have kids and you travel with your kids, they'll never leave. They will love it. Is there storage under, oh wow, storage under
Underneath.
bed. Wow.
And windows galore.
Mm-hmm. Now there's only one seating area here, but the kids are going to be in their bedroom anyway. There's only one seating area in this unit. Besides the dinette, there are 4 spots at the dinette. But if you're traveling with kids, they're going to be in their bedroom anyway. They got their own TV and their own bathroom, and they're going to sit out here with you? I don't think so. Good gracious.
There's plenty of storage there up front.
that guy on. We were drinking a lot. Right under that bus. You threw me under the RV tire.
I'm surprised I'm the first one to pull out a camera with all these YouTubers sitting over here.
Thinking about it.
I am so surprised that nobody else pulled out their camera.
Well,
and
that's right. I did you on the slide.
You did. You did. You did.
I took my pictures. I did my job.
I'm catching all these YouTubers in their natural habitat. Look at them, y'all. They don't have a camera in their hand.
I'm just enjoying the company.
That's it.
I'm enjoying the company.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes you gotta put the camera down and just enjoy the
Well, y'all just keep going. I'm getting some good footage.
You gotta get all the views.
Now you got everybody's taking out the camera.
Yeah.
It's going to work.
Oh, you know I gotta take pictures.
It's a camera.
That's a camera.